Today the question was asked about the thunder, about the thunder. So it's actually, so first of all, the first part of the question, if I remember correctly, how many times you should make. First of all, you make it like after you hear, not before. So maybe you think it's going to hear or see it like so like only after. So how much time you have? Like a few seconds after you heard it, so you can say it. So the blessing is in Siddur or remember, and it's one per rain. So meaning what? So one session of rain can be the whole day, right? It could be, I don't know, like 3 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, non-stop. I mean, it can stop but then continue. So that's considered to be one rain, and you say only one blessing. But if it's like a stop, let's say at 10 a.m. it stopped completely and it was sun for another 2-3 hours, whatever, and then another rain stop. Yeah, so it's different rain. So and you would need to make a different blessing. But otherwise, one blessing is enough per rain. Okay, that's answer to that question.